here is how to make a paper claw. So first, get a piece of paper. Next, you're going to fold the top diagonally so the two edges meet and there's space at the bottom. Make sure you crease the paper well so it'll work better. Now, you're going to take the top part of that diagonal you just made and fold it over so the bottom two edges meet. Make sure there's still space at the bottom and you crease it well, just like before. Now fold the bottom corners inward so it meets the top part you just made. It should look something like this. Now you're going to fold that entire bottom upward, just like this. And again, make sure to crease it well. Now take one side of the triangle and move it inward to meet the middle of it. And make sure there's stuff dangling off the edge of the bottom. It should look something like this. Now take that triangle you just made and wrap it around the rest of it. Sorry, my partner messed up a bit there. So see, now you wrap it around just like this. And you should still have that little thing at the end. So take this flap on the edge and tuck it between these two right here. And make sure you get it all the way in. And that, my friends, is how you make a paper claw. Yeah! And if you make 9 more, you can collect them all.